This is getting into a probability question here. These are released ACT questions. Let me give you guys another minute or so to get this one. Hi, I'm Sarah. I've been a science and math teacher for over 20 years, and I'm here to make math and science engaging and fun and not so scary for everyone involved. If you need more help, online tutoring, one-on-one tutoring, click the link and do the stuff. So we've got this pre-prom dinner that must choose one item from each of the 3 categories. So you have an entree, a side dish, and a beverage. So you've got 3 different things that you have to choose, right? So let's think of this a little bit simpler. So first, let's talk about, let's say I have the flavor of ice cream, which is, it's going to be A or B. Well, we can do chocolate or vanilla. Okay, so we've got chocolate or vanilla ice cream. So if that's it, if I can just pick chocolate or vanilla ice cream, I've got 2 choices, right? Now, if I start adding in toppings, let's say I could get chocolate or vanilla, and then for toppings, I could get none, or I could get sprinkles, or I could get caramel sauce. So if I choose chocolate, my first thing is chocolate. Now I could get chocolate with no toppings. That's one choice. I could get chocolate with sprinkles. Here, wait, let me draw this out. If I choose chocolate, I could get chocolate with no toppings, chocolate with sprinkles, or chocolate with caramel sauce. So that's 3 choices. But then I could also choose vanilla. And if I get vanilla, then I could get it with nothing, or with sprinkles, or with caramel sauce. So that right there is 6 possible outcomes, right? Because I've got 2 choices for this level, and then I've got 3 choices for this level. So what I do is I just look at how many different choices do I have for each category or each kind of level of choice that I'm making, and I multiply them together. This is called the fundamental counting principle. So using that idea, if we go back to this problem, so we've got an entree, we have a side dish, and we have a beverage. Now they have 3 entree choices, they have 4 side dish choices, and 2 beverage choices. So if we think about all the different pathways, right? If I choose this first entree, so I could have this side dish, or this side dish, or this side dish, or this side dish, and then whichever one I pick, it's either gonna be here, or 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 here, right? It gets to be a mess really quickly if you're trying to draw it out, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to, because it's not asking me what are the different combinations, it's just asking me how many are there. So it's going to be, there's 3, there's 4, and there's 2. So 3 times 4 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24. So there's 24 choices there. That's mathed up.